Welcome back to Learn with Mafaza. Today we are going to talk about a crucial part of working with data, that's exporting your results. After cleaning, analyzing and pre-processing your data, the final step is to save your work in a format that can be shared or reused. Pandas makes exporting data super easy. In this video, I'll cover how to save your data to CSV file, Excel file, JSON format and file. Let's go further. First, let's see about how to export a data frame to CSV. CSV means comma separated values, and it is one of the most common formats for saving data. To export a data frame to CSV, use the to_CSV brackets method, and let's see how it works. Just I'm directly using my code df.to_CSV under brackets. You can put the file name to be saved. I'm putting output.csv index equal false. To_CSV output.csv means saves the data frame to a file name output.csv. Instead of output, you can put any name, and index equal false. It prevents the index column from being saved, and this creates a clean CSV file ready for use in Excel or Google Sheet or other related files. I'll show you the basic CSV file before pre-processing and after pre-processing. Here, before pre-processing, we have some empty values. Here you can see I have some null values and I have columns only up to total. And I have about 15,000 rows, 15,006 rows, but we will see the file after pre-processing. Here, after pre-processing, you can see I have some more columns. Here, after total, I have year, month, the extract data, and then I have rows about 14,085. So you can save the file after pre-processing your data using these commands. Before exporting to Excel sheet, we have to install a command like openpy excel, like pip install openpy excel. Without that, you can't export your data frame to a Excel file. So I'm going to install pip install openpy excel. Next, let's see how to convert to a Excel file. Excel is another popular format for sharing data. To export to Excel, use the to_Excel method and df.to_Excel output.xlsx. Instead of CSV, you can use xlsx and index equal false. And this saves the data frame to an Excel file. By default, it writes to the first sheet of the Excel sheet. Next, let's export to JSON. JSON means JavaScript Object Notation, is widely used for APIs and web applications. To save data in JSON format, use the to_JSON method. df.to_JSON output.json and orientation equal records. Orient equal records means saves the data as a list of dictionaries where each row is a dictionary. This format is lightweight and great for web application development. In this video, we learned how to export data using Pandas. Save the data to CSV file for universal compatibility, export to Excel for reporting and analysis, use JSON for web-based applications. And exporting your work is an essential step in any data analysis workflow. Now you are ready to save and share your results effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Mafaza for more tutorials on Python and data science. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.